How to make money online. Making money online can lead to big changes to your lifestyle, but it is not an easy thing to do, and there's a lot of conflicting information out there on the subject. So, if you are trying to make money online, then you should find this video helpful. In this video, we are going to list 5 ways you can use to make money online. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model known as a retail fulfillment method where an online store does not store the products it sells in stock. Instead, it will market the products on its online store, and when a customer purchases a product, it will transfer the order to the supplier who fulfills it by shipping the product to the customer. This is a very advantageous business model as you do not have to spend money on inventory, and you don't have to deal with the stress of shipping orders to customers. All you have to do is find the right product, create a website where people can order the product, and use social media marketing or search engine optimization to drive traffic to your website and generate sales. However, it is a very competitive industry as it has been in existence since 2006, and therefore there are generally a lot of competitors. So, make sure you specialize in niche markets in order to provide as much value to your customers as you can. 2. Freelancing. A freelancer is a self-employed worker who is contracted to fulfill specific assignments on projects. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online as no prior investment is required. Many freelancers can earn a lot of money, more than $10,000 each month. If you have skills in a particular sector, then freelancing is for you. All you need to do is to create an account on a freelancing website and start applying to projects. It is easy to set up and therefore a great way to start earning money quickly. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing entails becoming an unofficial salesperson for a company. Companies use this strategy to recruit influencers who will receive a commission on the sale they generate. Generally, the brand will set up an affiliate program for which you will have to sign up. Upon registration and approval of your affiliate account, you will be provided with a unique link that you will promote on your social media or website and will track the sales you are making. Affiliate marketing can be very lucrative, especially for people that have a large following. 4. Blogging. If you are good at writing or passionate about industries that you would like to share your views on, you can become a blogger and start generating an income from it. It is important, however, to produce quality content to provide continuous value to your readers, so to increase your following over time and become an authority in the field you are passionate about. Starting a blog is very easy. You can create a blog quickly on WordPress. What you need to do next is to activate Google AdSense on your site, and you will start generating an income on the ads being displayed on your website. 5. Selling online. One of the major advantages to selling online is that your customer base instantly becomes global and is no longer restricted to the surrounding of your physical store. You can sell across towns, cities, countries, and even continents, eliminating all geographical limitations. Moreover, you can substantially reduce your overheads by not having a physical store and exclusively selling your products or services online. In summary, the world is becoming more and more digitized. People increasingly work from home and shop online for their goods and services. Job security is something of the past, and striving for financial freedom should be one of your goals in 2021. To do so, you should start making an additional income online by thinking about ways to monetize your skills or assets. Whatever small that additional income may be, it is a start on which you can build on. With time, efforts, and by increasing your different streams of income, you will reach financial freedom. A great new platform that can help you monetize your skills online for free is Equinet. They have created the first video commerce platform that can help you sell your services globally live by video and generate an income from the comfort of your home. Register on join.equinet.com and start selling to millions of customers today. Sell by video on the world's first video commerce platform. www.equinet.com